So here I am over here in Nedlands, and out the back of this property they've just done a lot of renovations, and so I'm actually building a pine lap fence with a double gate. So you can see the double gates leaning over there, and so you can see I've put this post in here, and then attached another post to the toilet over there, and used a string line and a level just to make sure that the posts are the same height. And yeah, and so I'm just putting in the posts, and then I'll put in 3 rails. The reason why we use a 3-rail system is because pine lap, being pine, it tends to bow in the middle, so if there's 3 rails going across, it makes the fence. Okay, so I've finished this fence out the back in the pine lap. You can see I've put the capping on the top, and there's a double gate there. So we'll just go and show you what it looks like. So there's a little handle there to open up the gate. And what I did is I actually buried a piece of wood in the ground, so it's got somewhere for the drop bolts to go into. And it doesn't move around. You've got the latch there, and some really good galvanized steel frames. And they've got these types of hinges, and I just use these bugle screws to attach the hinges. And yeah, but that's kind of what it looks like. Actually, I just forgot to mention, I thought it'd look a lot neater by putting a paling on the inside of the post. So that way it sort of like finishes it off quite nicely. I did the same on the other side, so that way you don't see the ends of the rails, and gives it a nice clean finish. Alright, so I just finished putting a side gate here on the house. So we've got again a steel frame with a pine lap gate, and this little panel section that I've created just to fill up the gap, and a bit of capping there, and of course there's the latch and a little handle to go through. So yeah, that's a like a pine lap gate. I'll just go to the front so you can get a bit of an idea. I don't know how good it's going to turn out because of the sun, but there you go, pine lap gate.